Have you ever wondered why so many medicines have similar sounding names? The secret lies in their suffixes. Today, we'll decode common drug name endings and learn what they tell us about the medicine. Let's get started. The first suffix is prozole. Drugs ending in prozole belong to a class called proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs. Common examples include omeprazole, pantoprazole, rabeprazole, and lansoprazole. So what do these drugs do? PPIs are your go-to solution for stomach acidity, heartburn, and healing ulcers. They work by reducing acid production in your stomach. Here you can see popular brands like Ryzac, which contains omeprazole, pantoprazole in capsule form, and rabeprazole sodium tablets. These are commonly prescribed for gastric issues. Now let's discuss suffix nasal. Medicines ending in nasal are antifungal agents. Common examples include ketoconazole, fluconazole, mycoconazole, and itraconazole. These powerful antifungals treat fungal infections of the nail and skin as well as yeast infections. Here's conazole, a ketoconazole shampoo for fungal scalp infections, mycoconazole cream for topical use, and diflucan containing fluconazole, commonly used for systemic fungal infections. Now let's discuss suffix dazole. Drugs with the dazole suffix are antihelmintic medications. Common examples you'll find include albendazole, mebendazole, and metronidazole. These medicines are specifically designed to treat parasitic infections, particularly worms. They also kill specific harmful bacteria in the body. Here we have mebendazole suspension in tablets, commonly given to children for deworming. Flagyl, which contains metronidazole, used for various parasitic and bacterial infections. And Zental, containing albendazole, one of the most prescribed antiparasitic medications worldwide. Now let's discuss suffix phenac. Medicines ending in phenac belong to the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs class, commonly known as NSAIDs. The most common examples are diclofenac and aceclofenac. These powerful pain relievers reduce pain and swelling and are particularly effective in treating arthritis and joint pain. Here's diclofenac sodium injection for acute pain management, and aceclofenac tablets widely used for chronic pain and inflammatory conditions. Now let's discuss suffix cetron. Drugs ending in cetron are antiemetic medications. The main examples include ondansetron and granisetron. These are life-saving medications that prevent nausea and vomiting, especially after chemotherapy or surgery. They help patients feel more comfortable during difficult treatments. Here's Granastrom, containing granisetron hydrochloride, available in 1 mg tablets, and ondansetron, commonly prescribed to cancer patients and post-operative patients to control severe nausea. Now let's discuss suffix floxacin. Medicines with the floxacin suffix belong to the fluoroquinolone antibiotics class. Common examples are ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin, and ofloxacin. These powerful antibiotics treat a wide range of bacterial infections, including UTI infections, ENT infections, throat infections, and lung infections. Here we have Oflox, a broad-spectrum antibiotic containing ofloxacin in 200 mg tablets. Levoflox, which contains levofloxacin in 500 mg strength, and Novadat, a popular brand of ciprofloxacin widely used for urinary and respiratory infections. Now let's discuss suffix mycin. Drugs ending in mycin are macrolide antibiotics. Common examples include erythromycin, clarithromycin, and azithromycin. These antibiotics are highly effective in treating respiratory infections, throat infections, and skin infections. They're often prescribed as an alternative for patients allergic to penicillin. Here's erythrocin, containing erythromycin stearate in 250 mg tablets, and Claricid, a brand of clarithromycin widely used for upper and lower respiratory tract infections. Now let's discuss suffix leucast. Medicines with the leucast suffix are leukotriene receptor antagonists. The main examples are montelukast and zafraleucast. These medications are essential for managing asthma and treating seasonal allergies. They work by blocking substances in the body that cause inflammation and constriction of airways. Here we have accolate, containing zapralucast in 20 milligrams for asthma control, and Montagit, which contains montelukast sodium in 10 milligram strength, one of the most prescribed medications for chronic asthma management. Now let's discuss suffix cycline. Drugs ending in cycline are tetracycline antibiotics. Common examples include doxycycline, tetracycline, and oxytetracycline. These broad-spectrum antibiotics are used to treat respiratory tract infections and UTI infections. They're also effective against a variety of bacterial infections. Here's Vibramycin by Pfizer, containing doxycycline hyclate in 100 milligram tablets, and Restaclin 500, which contains tetracycline capsules commonly prescribed for various bacterial infections. Now let's discuss suffix arimine. Medicines with the arimine suffix are antihistamine drugs. Popular examples are phenyramine, bromophenyramine, and chlorpheniramine. These antihistamines treat respiratory tract infections, UTI infections, runny nose, and sneezing. They're your go-to medications for allergy relief and cold symptoms. Here we have Avil injection, containing phenyramine maleate, used for acute allergic reactions, and Equate allergy relief, containing chlorpheniramine maleate 4 milligrams, perfect for seasonal allergies and common cold symptoms. Now let's discuss suffix sone. Drugs ending in sone are corticosteroids. Common examples include betamethasone, dexamethasone, hydrocortisone, and prednisone. These powerful anti-inflammatory medications reduce inflammation, treat allergies, and manage asthma. They're essential for controlling severe allergic reactions and inflammatory conditions. Here's Cyril dexamethasone injection, containing 4 milligrams per milliliter for rapid anti-inflammatory action, and Provitate ointment, containing betamethasone dipropionate, commonly used for skin inflammation and allergic skin conditions. Now let's discuss suffix pril. Medicines with the pril suffix are ACE inhibitors, also known as antihypertensive drugs. Common examples are lisinopril, enalapril, ramipril, and quinapril. These life-saving medications lower blood pressure, prevent heart attacks, and protect the heart from damage. They're a cornerstone of cardiovascular treatment. Here we have Zepres, containing enalapril maleate in 5 milligram tablets for hypertension management, and Azapril, containing lisinopril 10 milligrams, widely prescribed for blood pressure control and heart protection. Now let's discuss drugs end with suffix dipine. Drugs ending in dipine are calcium channel blockers. Common examples are amlodipine, nifedipine, felodipine, and nimodipine. These medications lower blood pressure and improve blood flow throughout the body. They work by relaxing blood vessels, making it easier for the heart to pump blood. Here's Adalat LA 30 milligrams, containing nifedipine for long-acting blood pressure control, and Cardipin, an amlodipine-based medication widely prescribed for hypertension and angina management. Now let's discuss suffix ol. Medicines with the ol suffix are beta blockers. Common examples are propranolol, metoprolol, atenolol, and esmolol. These essential cardiac medications lower blood pressure and treat heart diseases. They protect the heart by reducing its workload and controlling heart rhythm. Here's Meprisor SR 200 by Novartis, containing metoprolol tartrate for sustained blood pressure management, and Inderal tablets 40 milligrams, containing propranolol, one of the most trusted beta blockers for heart conditions and anxiety. Thank you for watching. This knowledge can help you better understand your prescriptions and communicate with healthcare professionals. For more interesting medical videos, don't forget to subscribe, like,